Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Both of these cases are of rail passengers who came in by one of the transit trains. So this brings our number of active cases to 45. I just want to clarify one thing, that there were a few media reports today that one of the air passengers who came in yesterday in the 3 flights from Italy was tested positive. It is true that that person's test was TrueNat screening positive, but that person has been tested negative twice in our RT-PCR test at GMC.
एखाद्या भुरग्याचे तापमान चढ मेळ्ळ्यार पासून ताका वेगळ्या रुमात परीक्षा दिवपाची संद दितले.
If now symptoms, by symptoms what we mean is that student shows high temperature during the thermal screening. What we have decided is, if there is such a situation, so far we have not got that situation, so we will not allow that student to give the exam along with other students. At the same time, we cannot deny that student the opportunity to appear for the exam. We will isolate the student, put him or her in a separate classroom, and with all due precautions, we will allow the student to take the exam.
इतले मजगती भायल्यान येवपी लोकां वेल्यान मायकल लोबोचेर रोहन खंवटेन खर टिका केली.
मायकला सारकेले मनीस सेल्फ इंटरेस्टा खातीर आज गोंय काबार करूंक म्हटले. जे नॉन गोवन्स येतात ते चडशे गोंयकार खंय ट्युरिस्ट येतात ते ट्युरिस्ट रावपाक खंय वता? बेळावली वता? ना. सेंटाक्रूज वता? ना. सान आंद्रे वता? ना. केप्यां वता? ना. पेडण्यां वता? ना. जाल्यार वता खंय? वता कोळंगुटे. म्हणजे अनलेस द MLA ऑफ दॅट एरिया हॅज टू स्पीक, अदरवायज आपल्याक नाका म्हणून त्या ट्युरिस्टांना.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.